things change, they become different in some way. Move the triangle to help the chameleon change its color. You helped the chameleon change from green to other colors. When things change, they become different in some way. Make different is a synonym of change. These words mean almost the same thing.
Which decoration would you add to a box to change the way it looks? Great choice! That would be a nice way to change the box.
Excellent job! Look at all the new words you are learning.
You'll see these word widgets again. You can use them to help you remember what the words mean.
Youb and I loved learning those words so much. Let's add them. Drag each word to the picture that shows its meaning. If you want to hear a word read aloud, press the audio button. Change, emerge, several. You helped us label the pictures in our word journal. You helped us label the pictures in our word journal. Thanks for helping us add to our word journal.
We will treasure these memories forever.
What's next?
Glory, look at this! It's a Youbafly with several beautiful blue wings.
Youb, is several the right word? I think several means more than two, but I count just 2 wings.
Well, they're both beautiful.
I think we need to keep working with our words.
Help me explain each picture so I can share photos with my friends. Complete the sentence. Drag the correct word into the blank. The passengers got off the car of the train. The passengers got off the car of the train. That's the scoop. The passengers got off the final car of the train. You can see the moon from behind the clouds. You got it. You can see the moon emerge from behind the clouds. These plants can in the dry desert with little water. Hi, too! These plants can survive in the dry desert with little water. The tree leaves their color in the fall. Word whiz! The tree leaves change their color in the fall. The boy burrows books from the library. Exactly. The boy borrows several books from the library. Thanks for helping add to my collection of photos. Let's play a card game.
Drag each card to the word tray where it belongs. Look carefully at the picture. Then use the word widgets to review each word's meaning. Well done! A tadpole changes into a frog as it grows. Widgets to review each word's meaning. Indeed! This prairie dog is emerging from its hole. I am impressed. The plant emerges from the ground. Well done! The child changes the box by painting it red. To emerge means to appear slowly from a hidden or covered place. A baby chick emerged from the egg. Nailed it! A baby turtle is emerging from its egg. When things change, they become different in some way. The chameleon changed from green to other colors. High five! A haircut changes the way the girl looks.
Great game, Word Whiz! Your vocabulary really rocks!
Snarg is hungry. Feed Snarg antonym snacks. Find the bone that has the opposite meaning of the word on Snarg's collar. Drag the bone to Snarg's mouth.
This is called clever.
To emerge means to appear slowly from a hidden or covered place. A baby chick emerged from the egg. Excellent work! Hide and emerge are antonyms. Feed Snarg antonym snacks. Find the bone that has the opposite meaning of the word on Snarg's collar. Drag the bone to Snarg's mouth. Excellent work! Not live and survive are antonyms. Indeed.
This is
First
a
and
little
final are antonyms.
complicated.
High five. None and synonyms.
Yum!
What's next?
Look, Flory, an egg. I wonder what could be inside.
Hopefully not a ladybug larva.
But Flory, you know the larva will change into a cute ladybug. Ooh, something is emerging.
Snarg! How did you possibly survive in there?
Hold that thought, Flory. It's time for a scoring round.
Remember to work carefully. Let's play That Makes
Sense.
Touch the thumbs up buzzer if the sentence makes sense. Touch the thumbs down buzzer if the sentence does not make sense. The letter Z is the final letter in the alphabet. Indeed. If you change your hair, it will look the same as before. High five! Animals need water to survive. Well done. Bees will emerge from a hive to get food from flowers. Bees will emerge from a hive to get food from flowers. Actually, this sentence does make sense. Bees have to emerge or come out from a hive to get food from flowers. A bicycle has several wheels. That makes sense to me. Thanks for playing.
Listen up. I have questions and I need answers.
Help us answer Major Peril's questions. Drag the correct answer into the empty space.
Which word describes what you do to leave a hidden spot? Which word describes what you do to leave a hidden spot?
Drag the correct answer into the empty space.
Which word describes what you do to leave a hidden spot?
Listen to the question and try again. Actually, you emerge when you leave a hidden spot. You come out of the spot and can be seen.
Which word describes what animals do when they stay alive?
Good thinking.
Which word describes the last runner to finish a race?
High five.
Which word describes the number of toes you have on one foot?
I am impressed.
Which word tells what green leaves do when they turn yellow?
Indeed.
Thanks. That really clears things up.
Give our tablets more word power. We need to charge them on the power strip.
Look for words on the tablets that have the opposite meaning of the words on the power strip. Drag each plug to its antonym. Nailed it!
Great job! Now we've got more word power.
Yoop! Look at all the word power we've got now.
Change!
Emerge!
Final!
Several!
Survive! We learned several new words.
We certainly did. Okay, off to the collection, little guy. Now let's practice some words we learned before. And remember, scoring round! Remember to work carefully.
Help me train these parrots to use words correctly. Listen to the parrots. Choose the parrot that makes sense.
When you observe a snake, you watch it carefully. When you observe a snake, you run away from it. Great job! Sunglasses protect you by keeping your eyes safe. Sunglasses protect you by making you look good. Exactly. When a seed sprouts, it is finished growing. When a seed sprouts, it is beginning to grow. Awesome! If a cave contains bats, the bats are inside the cave. If a cave contains bats, the bats are outside the cave. If a cave contains bats, the bats are inside the cave. If a cave contains bats, the bats are outside the cave. You got it! When you select a song, you choose the one you want to hear. When you select a song, you sing it very loudly. Oh, yeah!
Thanks for your help. Here's a treat for each parrot.
Nice job. You received 20 coins.